Awe Jacinta, hey, khona amabhomu asazoqhuma nanti izwe lizosha sibhekile. Kwenzakalani ngomzabalazo wabantu abamnyama? Yazi njalo uhlezi unyawo ledada nje. Ngizwe vs March and March. Hey, lehlile lona izinga. Lokumasha kule nhlangano eholwa abakwaZuma selokhu kuxatshelwe nongizwe. Kuloba iIOL News iphethe udaba egcineni. Leli phephandaba lesingisi lixoxe nongizwe Mchunu wathi iMarch and March inama-bank accounts amabili, ixhaswa ipolitiki, enye imali ivela ngaphandle. Nabo laba bathungizwe wamukela intshontsho banemithombo ethembekile eyambona ehhotela kufika ibriefcase. Ayasazi abanye bathi recently uBangobese usanda kuthenga umuzi ongaphezulu kwa10 million. Angazi ushintsha indawo okuhlala wahlala kuphi. Kufuna kube khona ubufakazi. Kufuna kube khona ubufakazi phela. Angithi March and March mayekhuluma ikithi nobufakazi obuyisa buhlanganisa. Excuse me, funa kube khona ubufakazi ungizofuna athole lo footage leyo ke exupply ngebriefcase, athole lo account leyo mhlambe nebank kuyilona lona mhlambe ukuthi leya ngaphandle ngena kulona liphi le osopolitiki uba laba baxhasayo lona liphi liqembu elifaka imali osopolitiki. Asazi sama allegations lawo, mina ngithanda nje ama allegations asazi until
yazi ukungasebenzi kukwenza ukholelwe kubo bonke abantu abafika abakhuluma izinto ezinikeza ithemba elingekho kanti bayuza wena because awusebenzi ube islave ulandele emva kwabo egcineni kosuku kubenefite bona. Ukubavalisa amashop akusikhona ukulungisa izwe. Ukutshela abantu ukuthi abangathengi emashop wabo ama-foreign akusikhona ukulungisa izwe. Kodwa woza nento ebambekayo. Kunomuntu othe sasivele siphila bengekho labantu. Isikhathi esikuso manje asifani nesikhathi esibuya kuso. Baningi abantu abangasebenzi. Miningi imkhukhu manje. Usizi luningi manje lukhuphukile. Lesikhathi esiphila kuso asifani nesikhathi esibuya kuso. Labantu bawusizo kwezinye indawo kweminye imikhukhu kwamanye amalokishi. Bayasiza ngoba ogogo bethu bayakwazi ukuboleka impuphu bakhokhe emantende. Bawusizo labantu. Amashopo wabo awabe yi-backup for now. Awangavalwa. Asingatshela abantu ukuthi abangathengi. Kodwa amashopo wabo awabe yi-backup. Thina silungise thina ukuthi yiphi indlela esingakhava ngayo ukutheneni labantu laba baphume kusale thina si-ona amashopo. You understand? Ake ngikukhumbuze. Sasivele sinawo amashopo la. Awiswa yini lawo amashopo? Why? Because amaPakistani afike abuka thina ukuthi thina sizimele, umunye nomunye uzimele shop yakhe. Basebeza nestrategy sokuthi niyababona labantu bazimele umunye nomunye uthi shop yami yakamkhizi yakantombela kanjalo. Bayibuka yonke leyo nto leyo. Uma ngabe wena mkhizi uyostock uphuma neveni lakho uyostoka la kustokwa khona. Mouse ake ngifanekiswe ngoshukela, uyostoka ushukela ufika ukuthi 23 rand ukustock. Mawubuya noshukela kumele udayise 25 or 26. Labantu laba bavula ama shop base bevula iwarehouse. Ake ngifanekise ngeGauteng. Kune warehouse ebelonga la eGauteng eyabo. La kufikela khona isitoko sabo. Bahlanganisa imali kuphuma ama-truck kuhamba abantu abawu2 bayostock ushukela. Mabefika la kustokwa khona bafike bathi ushukela wethu u23 rand kustock. Kodwa nina ngoba nifuna 100,000 oshukela nizowuthola ngo20 rand. Niyabona ukuthi strategy sabo sihamba kanjani? Wena ustoka ngo20 rand ngoba uhamba uwedwa uyimele umkhizi untombela. Bona bahlanganisa imali ngoba bawumndeni bahambisa abantu ababili nama-truck bayostoka ushukela 100,000. Mama stock ushukela 100,000 iprice izokwehla kakhulu. Bafike bathi okay istock price is 23 rand but sizonikeza ngo20 rand. Mabe buya noshukela uya kuphi ewarehouse. Yilapho ke omunye nomunye ozoshare khona ke athatha ushukela awuyise estoro sakhe. Mayefika estoro sakhe ushukela ezobiza 23 rand abenefite 3 rand. Why? Ngoba uthole ngo20 rand. Wena ustoka ngamalini ngo23 rand. Ngayibona ishop kaBaba Malevu lapha nabaningi. Ngangisemizwe mhlophe ngaleso sikhathi. Bakhala ngokuthi amaPakistani adayisa cheap. Why? Because bayeza amaPakistani eza nestrategy sawo sokuthi asihlanganiseni imali sostoka ngobuningi ngoba labantu laba bastoka ngamunye ababambene. Ukube sasibambene sasingeke siwiswa abantu, kodwa ngoba sibambene siyimele, ingakho kwabalula ukuthi basiqumbe phansi basala barana amabhizinisi aphela amashop wethu. Bahamba ke bayevulela amafemu wabo. Ingakho uma ufika etoro zabo kunoshukela wabo okhandwa yibo, impuphu yabo, ama-T-Bags wabo. Ku-cheap, igama liyefana kodwa ku-cheap. Why? Ngoba sebayayikhandela manje, bayastoka ezinye bayayikhandela. Bayasebenzisa istrategy. Labantu bawusizo kogogo. Don't tell people ukuthi abangathengi kubo. Don't close their shops. You must leave them babe i-backup for now until size silungise. Hambani nina baholi bemashini niyohlala phansi nosomabhizinisi nikhulumisane nabo ukuze kukhandwe iy'toro zethu kuyo yonke indawo eSouth Africa. Mase niqedela ukhanda iy'toro, ilapho ke nizokwazi ukuthi nilanda izinto kuleyo firm eseyivuliwe ebhilonga kuthina ezandleni zethu, noma sisebenzise istrategy sabo sokuthi ke sihamba ngobuningi nathi siyostoka sihlanganisa imali ukuze sishayele inyoka le esilimazayo. Hayi ukuthi wena ufika ukuthi vala amashop, ogogo bazoshona. Yekani uthango labantu ukhohle ukuthi wena afford, abanye abantu aba-afford. Asiphili impilo efanayo, ilevel esikuyo ayifani. Wena uright uya-afforda, abanye aba-afford. So asikhulumeni into ekhombisa ukwakhizwe, hayi into ekhombisa ukubhidla izizwe. Ukhuluma into uyicabangele wena ngoba wena uphila kahle, ungabacabangeli abanye abantu. Uma ungathiwa unikezwe i-chance ukuba upresident, uzoba upresident onjani? Bazokuthemba kanjani abantu ukubeni awukwazanga ukubacabangela from the start? Uma bayeke ukuthenga, uthini, ubanikani? Uwakhile namashop abazoya kuwo, ngoba kumele uma befika esitoro esakhiwe bheka iprice bonke. Hayi kuma friend 23 nangapha 23 kuyafana. Hayi baqinisile, asiyekeni ukuthenga lo my friend, vele sesinayo backup. Uma efuna impuphu gogo uyamnika impuphu mahala, uzokukha amantela uqedile. Ungaveli nje ufika nje udecide. Hayi suka nikwazi ukucabanga bafethu. Hayi niyalibulala izwe nililungisi, nifuck up i-country nina.
We are not surprised that Phakela Mthakathi is now calling for the independence of KwaZulu-Natal. So they actually want KwaZulu-Natal to be its own country, just like Botswana, Lesotho. That's what they want for the Zulus only. So Mina, I have a question before I get into this, everything that I'm going to say. Because most of the time when we generalize and say that the Zulus, they say we are wrong. So I will not say the Zulus want KwaZulu-Natal to be an independent country, like independent out of South Africa. I will not say that. I'm going to say if there are Zulu people who also support what their leader is saying, one of the leaders of March and March, what he's saying, because he's an influential figure, right? He has a very huge following, over 2 million followers on Facebook. He has led countless marches in South Africa. So there are a lot of people who look at him and see a leader, someone that they can follow, someone who, whenever he opens his mouth, whatever he says, people start doing. So if there are Zulu people who are supporting what Phakela Mthakathi is saying, Mina, I'm saying I support you guys. I support you guys 100%. Go to KwaZulu-Natal and create your own country. Live as Zulus alone in KwaZulu-Natal. Because vele, as South Africans, you guys don't know how to live with people. So it will be good for you guys to have your own little country there, where you will wear your animal skins each and every day, dance around the streets naked. You will eat inyama enhloko lapho nephuthu yenu nidle khona lapho. You will loot all those shops there. You will teach your children how to hate other African people there in KwaZulu-Natal. Because mina vele, everything that you have been teaching South Africans, I've always been saying that you guys are the influence. You are the ones who have been influencing South Africans to hate other African people. So right now, if one of the leaders of March and March is saying that they want independence for KwaZulu-Natal and maybe let's say all the Zulus now they support him. What about all those other tribes who were saying they support March and March because we have a problem of illegal immigration here in South Africa? While they've been living with these foreigners for years and years and years here in South Africa, and they've never had these problems. They never said, oh, all these people are stealing their jobs, all these people are selling drugs to their children. All these things did not exist. Because that was the story that they were leading you guys. They were telling you guys so that you can support whatever they were doing. So that in the end, they can call for the independence of KwaZulu-Natal. So now, let us say with the other tribes now who are supporting March and March, marching in various provinces, Northwest, Eastern Cape, Limpopo, Mpumalanga. So all the other tribes right now, are you guys also going to say we want to be independent of South Africa? The Pedis, the Tsongas, and the Vendas who share Limpopo as three ethnic groups. What are you going to do about Limpopo? Are you also going to say that you want Limpopo to be its own separate country? You want Limpopo to be independent out of South Africa? Because again, you were supporting what the Zulus were doing. Now look what the Zulus are doing. Are you going to say now you want Limpopo to be independent? So how are we going to deal with the issue of Limpopo? You Tsonga people from Limpopo who have been supporting this nonsense. You Pedi people from Limpopo who have been supporting this nonsense. You Venda people from Limpopo who have been supporting this nonsense. So are we going to say Guyana is going to be its own country? Venda is going to be its own country? The Pedis will take, where will they take? They will take Sishiro, they will take Pulukwan. What's going to happen? Do you see South Africans that you guys are stupid? Xhosas, are you going to say that Eastern Cape now it must be its own country also? That you want the whole of Eastern Cape to be just Eastern Cape? What about the colored people who are staying in Eastern Cape as well? Now should they say that they want? You guys are very stupid. You guys are dumb. I mean, I've always been saying that you people are stupid. But I will keep on saying, I support the Zulus. Let the Zulus have their own KwaZulu-Natal. And when they have their own KwaZulu-Natal, they must come here in Gauteng and take all these taxes that a lot of taxes that are here in Gauteng. They must fuck off and go to KwaZulu-Natal, and they must go and open their own MTN rank there in KwaZulu-Natal. They must come and take that my thing of theirs there in Johannesburg. It must fuck off and go to KwaZulu-Natal. All the hostels that they've built here in South Africa, all over South Africa, they must demolish all those hostels and go and build them in KwaZulu-Natal. Well, we are tired of you guys teaching our children how to hate other African people. We are tired of you guys teaching our children how to be lazy, teaching them laziness, how to not want to work and do anything. We are tired of all those things. So come and take your people all over South Africa. There are people that I met in Limpopo who are Zulus. They must also fuck off to go to KwaZulu-Natal if they support what Mpagala Mthakathi is saying. If that is what they support, they must all fuck off. I support them. Maybe South Africa would have something. You know, these people, they have damaged the reputation of South Africa. Damaged it. That is why they were never worried when we told them that you are damaging the reputation of South Africa in the world, in the global stage. They were like, no, we're not doing anything, we're not doing it. Because they always knew all along that in the end of it all, they will call for the independence of KwaZulu-Natal. Now we are left with the burden of their damage. Now we have to wake up each and every day and try to fix all the damage, all the killings that they've done to all the people that come from Nigeria, all those countries who have lost their people. Now Ramaphosa has to face those things while it was the Zulus, because they don't like Ramaphosa, because why? He's not Zulu, he's Venda. They want Jacob Zuma to be their president. That's what they've always been saying, that as the Zulus, they will never allow another tribe to lead them. Do you understand? So now, it is us who are left with the problems. They are applying for independence of KZN. Just like Cape Town, the white people there in Cape Town, that's what they want to do. And it will come there now. That is where it's going now. So it means South Africa, there will not be any country in South Africa. Machangala, Bushbuckridge, you need to apply for independence there in Bushbuckridge, saying that Bushbuckridge needs to be in its own country. Because